1, 2, 3, 4.
Owen, there's a lot of them. There's a hawk up there. Where is it? It's hard to see. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Whoa, what's happening? Are they fighting? Oh. Look, there's lots of mangoes over there. Wow, look, they're all just sitting right there. Oh, that one's flapping. Oh, missed it. Oh, they're making nests over there. Look at those. Here we go. Ready? We're going. It's moving. We'll see you later, Kamilah. Whoa, you're getting taller than me. Haha, you're short now. Whoa. Be careful. Don't fall. There's no seatbelts on this horse. What? Wolf spider with a bunch of more babies coming. Domino cockroach. These assassin bugs, they don't like the sunlight, so they all hide under these.
And look here, there's even more.
Whoa. Madagascar hissing roach. So the cockroaches have some mites that they take care of the cockroaches. You see the little baby, the little bugs on them? It said they clean the cockroaches, these little things. They crawl on them and clean them.
There.
Spiny stick insect. Look at these spiky leaf guys.
There's a lot of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, there's a lot. They look like dead leaves. Whoa, that one really looks like dead leaves. This giant thorny summit thingy.
And
What
there's
is
another
that?
one right there.
There's one, oh, another one's riding on it. Giant jumping stick.
Stick bug.
This stick can jump?
Yeah. This is a big one. Look at the stick bug.
I don't see it jumping. Oh, that one's one too. I thought it was just a twig.
Me too, that one.
Whoa. It camouflaged. What is that green worm?
Yeah, what is that thing?
You see that wiggly green thing?
Oh, yeah.
Where'd it go? I can't.
right here.
No, I mean on the camera. I can't tell what I'm looking at.
Ask Owen.
I can't see what I'm looking at with the. Here we go. There it is.
He might know.
There's that green wormy.
Owen.
It's just wiggling.
That green.
Look at this big hermit crab. That's the biggest hermit crab I've seen.
And look at this tarantula.
Pinstripe hermit crab. Mexican rust leg tarantula.
Look at this, guys.
He has orange rust on his feet. Red harvester ants. These are some big ants. Oh, look at that one carrying that big thing away. Whoa. Darkling beetles. Look at those little wormy things there. And the beetles are just hiding back there. There's a desert hairy scorpion. Mmm, desserts.
Scorpion.
From the desert.
I'm mad.
Some dairy cow isopods. Look at those cow pods. Giant African millipede. Let's see. Is it bright enough?
It's right
Oh,
there.
there. Oh, the light doesn't work. It's hiding behind. There's too much yuckiness on the cave. Oh, there.
Oh my gosh, I see that. Look, there's.
Giant Pacific centipede.
This-
Where? Where?
There.
Oh, all the way in the back.
It's so creepy.
Kamilah, you're blocking it. It's all the way back there.
Look at this one.
Glitter beetles eating everything. Bird. Some fish. A dirty sock. No. Also, the ants, they made a little nest here.
No, the nest is...
And
Where's the queen?
look at it.
How many queens are there?
You see the wings? The ones with the wings?
They even put a heater in here to cook the ants.
Those are what?
Oh, you see that ant with wings?
That one?
Those things are the young queens.
Kamilah, there they are.
Where?
They're playing on the thing.
Oh yeah, Kamilah, do you see?
But they're not that red. They're more like a dark color.
Right there.
I do see them.
He's up there.
It's moving up.
He's going to the top.
Maybe the queen sees it.
Mom, this tree is around 90 years old.
That's cool.
Aww. Where's he going?
Darker than I imagined.
Yeah. This species has a high risk of being extinct.
I see a frog.
There's the one
It's
right
a
there.
toad. Yosemite toad.
Yosemite. Yosemite toad. He's not moving. Oh, he moved a little bit.